Airframe insurance, also known as hull insurance and aviation liability, is a type of insurance that protects airlines from financial loss due to damage to or loss of an aircraft. This is a very important policy for airlines, as the cost of replacing an aircraft can be very expensive. There are two main types of airframe insurance. 1. Airframe insurance covers damage to or loss of the aircraft itself. This includes damage caused by accidents, natural disasters, or vandalism. 2. Liability insurance covers the airline from legal liability if the aircraft causes injury or damage to a third party. This includes injuries to passengers, flight crew, and people on the ground. Airframe insurance premiums are based on a number of factors. 1. Including the type of aircraft. 2. Age of the aircraft. 3. Airlines. 4. Safety notes. 5. And the airline's operating area. Airframe insurance is an important part of the aviation industry. This helps airlines manage the financial risks associated with flight operations. It also helps ensure that passengers and people on the ground are protected from injury or damage caused by a plane crash. Airframe insurance, also known as airframe and liability insurance, is a type of insurance that protects aircraft owners from financial loss if the aircraft is damaged or destroyed. This is a very important policy for airlines, and individuals to have. Whoever owns the plane. Airframe insurance coverage can vary depending on the type of aircraft, its value, and intended use. However, most policies will cover the following. 1. Physical damage to the aircraft caused by accident, collision, bad weather, or vandalism. 2. Plane theft. 3. Total loss of the aircraft, if it is so badly damaged that it cannot be economically repaired. Airframe insurance can be an expensive policy, but it is important to have the right coverage for a valuable asset like an aircraft. Here are some of the benefits of having airframe insurance. 1. Provides financial protection in the event of damage or destruction of the aircraft. This can help airlines avoid serious financial difficulties. 2. Helps airlines to keep fares low. By having insurance, airlines can spread the costs of a plane crash over time, which helps keep airfares affordable. 3. Provides peace of mind for airlines and their passengers. Knowing that the aircraft is insured can provide a sense of security for everyone involved in the flight. It is important for airlines to choose the right airframe insurance policy for their needs. There are a number of different insurance companies offering these policies, so it's important to compare rates and coverage before making a decision. When choosing an airframe insurance policy, it is important to compare quotes from several different companies to get the best coverage at the best price.